Goldie had never imagined that sneaking into the house of the three bears could lead to anything but trouble. Yet here she was, sitting comfortably in their cozy cottage, laughing and chatting with the very bears who were supposed to be angry with her. The cottage was filled with warm lighting, colorful, and the delicious aroma of porridge. Goldie and the bears discovered a shared love for cooking, and soon they were planning to join the forest cooking contest together. Their camaraderie was palpable, setting the stage for a heartwarming adventure. As Goldie and the three bears set off into the forest, the world around them transformed into a vibrant paradise. The forest was lush and green, filled with enchanted creatures and glowing plants. They met talking squirrels who shared the secret of the finest honey, wise owls who pointed them to the juiciest berries, and other whimsical animals that guided them to the best oats. The journey was as magical as it was informative, bringing them closer together with every step. The adventure also taught them valuable lessons in teamwork and patience. The path was not always easy. There were obstacles that required them to work as a unit. They learned to listen to each other's ideas, share tasks, and support one another. These moments of collaboration were filled with dynamic scenes of mixing ingredients, taste testing, and creating different versions of porridge, each one better than the last. The day of the cooking contest arrived, and the forest clearing was alive with excitement. Banners fluttered in the breeze, and cheerful decorations adorned the area. Animals from all over the forest had gathered to watch the contest. Goldie and the bears worked seamlessly as a team, their experiences and newfound knowledge coming together to create the perfect porridge. The atmosphere was electric, filled with anticipation. When the judges announced that Goldie and the three bears had won the contest, the clearing erupted in joy. Goldie and the bears were back at their cozy cottage, enjoying their winning porridge. They shared it with the other animals, laughter filling the air. The happiness of teamwork and friendship was evident, a perfect ending to their delightful adventure. Goldie and the three bears' journey had turned into a cherished memory, one that celebrated the power of unity and shared passions.